Lippert, the industry leader in leveling, that first introduced Level Up to the towable RV market over 10 years ago, is proud to announce its newest innovation, Titan Leveling Systems. After dedicating 3 years to development, Titan Leveling System stands as our latest groundbreaking innovation in leveling, surpassing our competition with over 300,000 leveling systems in the field. With a modern aesthetic and refined design, our new systems offer a significant improvement in performance and appearance over current leveling systems on the market that have not evolved in decades. Let's talk about the improved user control system. The controls are easier to use than ever before. Whether it's being operated through the exterior waterproof touchscreen, phone, or OneControl touch panel, users can enjoy a consistent and seamless experience across all platforms. The experience has been completely redesigned with clear buttons. Extend retract buttons for the landing gear do just that. There are no more button sequences and combinations to remember. Users can also create custom set points, turn the jack lights on or off, and toggle between light or dark modes on the Titan Leveling System's touchscreen controller. All faults have troubleshooting steps. Each fault has a QR code link to the Titan Leveling System support documentation. Titan Leveling System cylinders are machined from a newly designed aluminum extrusion that incorporates a built-in internal retract port in a slimmer profile. These systems' aluminum cylinders and anodized coating provide superior corrosion resistance and significant weight savings over other similar systems on the market. Titan Leveling Systems aluminum cylinders are engineered for effortless bolt-on installation, requiring 50% less hardware, saving valuable time for technicians during the initial installation. To enhance the experience further, we've redesigned the foot pads and added optional LED lighting underneath the jack to illuminate the ground below, making it easier to set up camp in the dark or use in low-light conditions. Don't have a Titan Leveling System today? Don't worry. These systems can be retrofitted if you already own an RV with a different leveling system. Lippert is the industry leader in hydraulic leveling, with hundreds of thousands of leveling systems in the market. With a team of 8 technical training instructors and a full team of 25 team members dedicated to creating top-notch technical content and providing unmatched training, we are committed to making every customer's experience the very best. Get ready for the next evolution in RV leveling and ask your dealer about Titan Leveling Systems.